You're about to learn how to build a fully functional product page in 5 minutes, just like this. Are you ready? Let's build it. So, to create this, we are going to use Limora to generate on-brand product shots, then we'll use Claude Code to turn them into a website, and finally, we'll push this website live on the web with Vercel. Alright, so in order to create this interactive website, the very first thing you need is an image of your product. And we don't really care about the type of image. It can be this product shot or even this image with no background at all. The most important is that we can see clearly the product. Once this is done, you want to go to limora.ai and click on Start Creating Now if you don't have an account yet. Once you have created the account, go to Project and click on the plus button. So over here you have two options. The first one is to paste the link of your website and Limora will automatically extract all the brand DNA of your company. Alternatively, you can also add project manually and you'll have to include the project name, the industry, upload the logo, the brand colors, but this will take a bit more time. So I just recommend you to add your website if you have one. And now, as you can see, we have all the project information, the brand colors and the typography already extracted from this website. Make sure to go through it and tweak any of the settings that you want to edit, because every generations made by Limora will be completely on brand following those guidelines. And once this is done, click on Create Project. And now we have the full brand kit ready with the identity of the brand, the design language. We also have this look and feel section, which is very important because over there you can upload any visuals that you like. For me, I really like this one, so I'm just going to open it. And then Limora will analyze the image and extract some tags that we can reuse then when generating our own images. For examples, we can see warm golden light, cozy atmosphere, matte and glossy material contrast, and all those informations will be used by Limora when generating all your assets. And finally, we can then generate the brand settings thanks to this section. Here you go, this is nice, and also include some never do's if you have some specific guidelines that you need to follow. Once this is done, click on Save Changes and your brand kit is ready. Now we can move on to generating the assets. Oh, and I just forgot to mention that we have this new brand storage feature, and this is where we want to upload our product photo. Here we are, click Upload. And Limora will once again analyze the complete image, and the great thing is that we can then reuse easily those images inside our generations. So let me show you how it works. Going back on the main project page, now it's time to generate some assets. So click on it. Next, we want to go to product photo, and over here we can select in the brand storage our product photo. We also have access to logos or created assets, but here we want the product photo. You can also adjust the angle. In my case, this is perfect. In studio lighting, all good. Finally, let's add a custom prompt if you have a very precise idea about what you want. This is the prompt I'm going for. Let's click enter and wait for a few seconds until the generation is completed. Great, the first image is done. It's exactly what we wanted. So now it's very simple. We just have to click on reference and then we iterate based on the other settings we want to have. I've already done it before. Let me show you the full process. So this was the original prompt. This is the output, which is exactly what we want. Then what I've done is that I've clicked on reference to make sure that we have this original image referenced. And I've asked Limora to update the color. So in that case, I've asked for a stone beige color. This is the output. Then I've done the exact same process. I make sure to reference the original image and not this image because we really want to make sure that all of the images have the same size as this one and that it stays completely intact. And then I've asked for an olive green, which looks like that. And finally a black color just like that. Next, I wanted to have a different base for the lamp. So I've asked for a cylinder base, always by referencing the first image. I've also asked to have the same original image but in dark mode. Once this was done, I've just clicked on export, downloaded the images that I liked the most, just like that. And then let's move on to building the website. The next step is very simple. You just want to go to Claude Code. You can download the app for free or just go to claude.ai and you can use it. And then you want to paste this exact prompt. And of course, I left the full prompt in the video description if you want to use it. Just before running the prompt, you want to attach all the images we've generated before. Boom, click open, and then let's run the prompt. And now let's wait for a few minutes until Claude finishes to cook for us. And the great thing is that Claude will analyze each image and will know exactly where to put it on the website. And this is the result after a few minutes. This is what Claude came up with. It's also better if you include some references of the design style that you like, so he can choose the best font and the best colors to design the website. And now let's see how to deploy it on the web. And the final step is to deploy the website, and for that I recommend you to use Vercel because it's very straightforward. All you have to do is to ask Claude Code, can you push the website live using Vercel? You'll have to connect your Vercel account, and then in a few minutes your website will be live with a public link if you want to share it. And that's it, a full functional product page done in maximum 5 minutes. I'm curious to know your thoughts on this workflow, and if you have any suggestions on how to improve it, drop it in the comments. I read everything. Follow for more builds like this, and if you want 8 free websites for Vibe Coder that will strongly improve your designs, take a look at this video over here.